She is finally back home after being discharged from the hospital, but she is still very weak. Her family is taking care of her with love. Let's learn simple English with this story.
Welcome home, Mom! It feels so good to be back.
Careful. Come sit here.
I miss this place.
We missed you more!
I missed you too.
Now listen, no work, only rest.
Okay.
Yes! You're not allowed to do anything. Yes, doctor's orders.
We'll handle everything.
You don't have to do all this.
We want to.
Yes! It's our turn now! Are you both sure?
Of course. How hard can it be? Whoa, careful with the flour, sweetie.
But it's fun, Daddy!
Okay, now let's stir it together.
Yay!
Wait, this doesn't look right. Why is it so messy?
Because you're cooking, Dad!
Sophie, that's too much flour! Oh no, what's burning now?
Dad, the cookies!
The cookies? I forgot about them!
Everything is going wrong!
Yes, everything is wrong. Your mom does all this every day.
Yeah, and she never complains that
We didn't know how hard it is.
we should help her more, Katie.
We will from now on.
First, let's fix this mess.
Okay, first we clean this mess.
Yes, Mom would not like this at all. Dad, how does Mom do all this every day?
Now I understand. It's not easy at all.
We should help her more, even when she gets better.
We will. That's a promise. All right. Let's try again.
This time, no mistakes.
Let's follow the recipe properly.
Like this? Yeah, thanks. This is actually fun.
Yes, when it's not burning.
Dad, it smells good.
Finally, something went right. And tea, Mom likes tea.
Yes, let's make it special for her. Okay, first we make the pancake batter. I'll help.
Careful this time, no extra flour. Okay, let's make pancakes first.
Yay, can I help?
Of course, watch this.
It's bubbling.
Perfect. Now for the omelet.
Whoa. Yay, it looks yummy.
And now the omelet. And some tea. Here we go, just like the book.
Wow, they look perfect, me.
Of course.
Close your eyes. Hey. Now open.
Oh, wow. You made all this? Yes! Pancakes, omelet, and tea!
Made with a little struggle.
It looks amazing.
Delicious.
So, how is it?
It's really good.
Yay!
Thank God.
You both did all this for me.
Of course.
Now you just rest.
I'm so lucky to...
No, we are lucky.
We love you, Mom. I love you too, big Dad. The room is so messy. I think I made this mess.
It's okay. Let's clean it together.
Sorry. I should have kept it clean.
No need to be sorry. We just fix it now.
Okay, I will help you.
Good. You pick the toys.
Okay, Dad. I will put them in the box.
Nice. Keep going.
Dad, cleaning together is fun.
Yes, teamwork is fun.
I will keep my room clean from now.
Emma, you really should rest properly.
I am resting, don't worry.
You say that, but you never stop thinking about work.
Dad! Look what I'm making.
What is it?
It's our family.
Our family?
This is Mom, this is you, and this is me.
She even drew you smiling.
Sophie.
See? She just wants to see you happy.
Mom, I don't like when you are weak.
I look so tired. I didn't even notice. I was working all the time. I never stopped time.
Yes, you never stopped. But now you have to.
I just wanted everything to be perfect.
We don't need perfect, but we need you.
I didn't take care of myself.
It's okay. Now we will take care of you.
I will rest, I promise.
Mom, it's time for your medicine.
Oh, I forgot again.
Emma, you can't forget this.
Okay, I will take it now. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome, Mommy.
That's my girl.
You need rest, Mom.
Yes. No work now.
Okay, I will rest.
Emma, you are finally resting. You look so tired. You work so much. Every day. I did not understand before. You were doing everything alone. I am sorry, Emma. I don't want to lose you. They are sleeping peacefully. Emma, I didn't take care of you, us. You worked all day, every day, and I just watched should have helped you. She loves you so much, you. We both need you. I won't let this happen again. You just rest now. Everything will be okay.
Today you learned simple English. But more important, you learned something about life. Take care of your health and take care of your family. If you want to learn easy English like this, like, share, and subscribe. Comment, I will take care.